Welcome, in front of me is a KRUGER MATZ Flow 6, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot up the device for the first time, you'll be presented with the setup screen like this one. And on the first page you get to choose the language that you want to have displayed. So I'm gonna stick with English as it is right now, but you can choose from any of the languages that are here. Just tap on cancel and then press on start. Connect to mobile network. Now this would work if we would actually have a SIM card inserted. You can do that, or you can just skip it and insert the SIM card later on. It can all be accessed from the normal Android once it's set up anyway. Then you have the connect to Wi-Fi. As an example, I'm going to actually connect to one. You can also skip it if you like to. Now if you skip this, it will also skip the Google account login, so you won't be able to log into your Google until you connect to some kind of network. And if you connect to it, it's gonna start looking for updates and then also giving the option to actually log in. Yeah, so I want to set it up as new. If you want to move your phone over, you can always choose to copy your data. And what you would do on your older devices, just create a backup using Google, and then you can actually do it from here. And here you can log into your Google account. I'm gonna skip this just so I don't have to type unnecessarily and waste time to log into it, and basically gives only the ability for you to back up your device. Tap on next. Now you can name your device, or you can skip it. If you name your device, if you're trying to call or someone is trying to connect to your Bluetooth or something like that, it will show up the name of the device in a Bluetooth search. So whatever you will put in here, that's what it will be visible for others. And then you have the fingerprint unlock. Now you can set that up or skip it. I'm gonna actually set it up as an example. Tap on next. And before you can actually add a fingerprint, you will also have to have another way of unlocking the device. So you have a choice between pattern, PIN, or password. So choose whichever one suits you. I'm gonna select pattern. Yes, and then draw the pattern that you want to use. Let me just clear that. There we go. Tap on next, redraw the same pattern once more and confirm it. And then we get to start scanning our finger on the back. So you want to get a good read of your finger from every angle, so the phone has a higher chance of actually unlocking the device and not failing at the scanning. You can also add another one if you like to, another finger, or try to scan the same finger once more for a higher accuracy rate. You can just tap on next if you're satisfied with this. Then you have Google Terms of Service, or actually services, not Terms of Service. There's a couple of them. You can actually disable them if you don't like, for instance, localization. It will, if you disable it, you can also enable it later on from just the system. Anything else, you can add a Gmail if you like, and lock screen info. Just gonna say no thanks. And the device is basically set up now. So if I were to lock the device now, it will actually have the pattern like this, or the fingerprint. So you can just touch it and unlock it. And yeah, that is basically how you would set up the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.